Hello and welcome to Artistic Vibes. I'm the host, Andrew Hunt, and this is more of my design fails along with unusual Google Maps and not Google Maps, Google Street View and Google Earth. So let's get started. Some of these are really shocking. What can I say about this? Practice kill your kills. Tat for humanity. Really? Practice your kills. Probably it said something like practice your something skills, but because of the way the door's closed, yeah. They should really look up these designs before opening and closing the doors. Do not exceed 20 kid children. What? I know it's supposed to be a do not exceed 20 miles an hour or kilometers, but really, what council or something came up with that? That's a stupid sign. Speed bumps ahead when children are present. So, does this have speed humps only when kids are lying in the road and you run over them or something? Really? Now to Google Street View or Google Maps. Well, certainly these megs are made for walking, but where's the body? Tower Square Park. Now back to another Google Street View. A road worker playing air guitar with a shovel in Illinois, apparently. What's the other guy doing? Nothing much. Yeah, definitely tell that's America. Just by the one-off area. What's this? Someone's pranked someone, apparently. Good time for Google Street View to go past. What's this? Oh, horse-drawn carriage going down the dual carriageway. That's the Cinderella carriage, actually. Uh, Oxbridge Road, England. Oh, yeah. I found a Stig. Really? Ah, I know where that is. That's Loch Ness. Uh, This is from the old Sharknado film or something with the shark landed in somebody's roof. And this Google Maps image, the aliens have landed. God, where do people find it? Oh, it's in Romania. Is that someone's Airbnb or something? You can even see it up here. It's in the middle of nowhere, actually. Oh, there's a. Actually, I'm starting to think that's an Airbnb because the house is to the left. Hmm. Well, that's it for my artistic design fails and Google Maps and Google Earth. Thank you for watching and goodbye.